Hello student, Hemal Sadiz here. So today we are going to solve the next question of our practice set 7.1 of our chapter called mensuration. Okay, so today's the question is again a very conceptual but easy one. Okay, so the question says observe the measure of given pot. Okay, there are two pot. One is the cylindrical pot and another is the conical pot is nothing but the jug of water. Okay, and it is the cylindrical water pot. Okay, so question says how many jug of water can the cylindrical pot hold? So how many jug of this particular jug we will fill the water into the cylindrical pot? So how many jug of water we can pour to the cylindrical pot so that it can hold. Okay, so that we have to calculate. क्या करना है एक्चुअल में, इस जग से जब हम यहाँ पर वाटर को पोर करेंगे so कितना वाटर इसमें आ सकता है, that we have to calculate. Okay, so first we have to understand the given part of the question. What is given? The given that the radius of jug is 3.5 centimeter. See, question says observe the measure of the given pot. Measure means यहाँ पर measure दिया हुआ है. So radius of cone is 3.5 centimeter and the height, which height? The perpendicular height. Okay, is 10 centimeter. So it is 10 centimeter. For the cylindrical pot, the radius of cylindrical we have considered as capital R and which is equals to 7 centimeter. It is given, and the height of the cylindrical pot we have considered capital H and which is equals to 10 centimeter again given. Okay, so now we have to understand what we have to find. What we have to find? How many jug of water can a cylindrical pot hold? That we have to calculate. Okay, so the formula we are going to use is nothing but the volume. So हम एक्चुअल में क्या करने वाले हैं, हम जो सिलेंड्रिकल पॉट है उसके वॉल्यूम को जग के वॉल्यूम से डिवाइड करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ जग ऑफ वाटर कैन द सिलेंड्रिकल pot hold. Okay, so we have to solve. So first we have to consider x number of jug, number of water or number of jug of water can a cylindrical pot hold. Cylindrical pot hold. Okay, therefore x equals to क्या हो जाएगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ cylindrical pot divided by volume of jug. Okay, और conical jug. Therefore x equals to the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. It is pi r square h divided by volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, see pi and pi will get cancelled. 3 will come in multiple form. So x equals to 3 into r, capital R is here 7 centimeter. So square of 7 into capital H is 10 centimeter. So it is 10 centimeter divided by, we have small r is 3.5 centimeter. So we have to take 3.5 square into, we have h is 10, so we have to take 10. So 10 and 10 will again get cancelled. So what will remain here? X equals to 3 into 49 divide by the square of 3.5 is 12.25. 12.25. So x equals to, when you will solve, you will get exactly 12. Okay, that means 12 jug of water can the cylindrical pot hold. So it is our result. So we have to write the result now. So result. So what will be the result? 12 jug of water can a cylindrical pot can hold or hold. Okay, so 12 jug of water can a cylindrical pot hold. Okay, so this is the answer. So again, it is a little conceptual but very easy. Okay, so all the questions are really very easy, that you have to understand the question first. Okay, so write it down. So students, now we are going to solve the next problem, which is again a very important one. Okay, so it is the question number 8. Question number 7 will be homework 5. Just check if you can solve it or not. If you are not able to solve, then we will make one more video for that. Okay, so now the question says a toy is made up of a hemisphere. Here it is hemisphere. Here it is cylinder and the cone. Okay, all they are joined together. Okay, to form the toy. Okay, so the question says a toy is made from the hemisphere, a cylinder and a cone. Find the total surface area of the toy. हमको toy का total surface area calculate करना है. Okay, so for that we have to calculate surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of cone. Okay, then we will add all these three, then we will get the curved surface area for the toy. Okay, so now what is given? Radius is common for all. Okay, so here it is also 3 centimeter. It is given. Okay, if it is 3, then it is also 3. Then height of the cylinder is 40 centimeter and height of the cone is 4 centimeter and radius is 3 centimeter. So first we have to calculate the slant height, because in formula we are going to use L, which is the slant height of the cone. Okay, so first we have to solve the slant height. Okay, then we have all this given value, and what we have to find? The surface area of the toy, and the formula are given here. The curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Then for cylinder it is 2 pi r h, and for cone is pi r l. So first we have to calculate L. So for slant height, the slant height of cone equals to L, and which is equals to root r square plus h square. Therefore L equals to root. What is R? R is 3 centimeter. So square of 3 plus h. H is the height of cone, which is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So square of 4. So L equals to root. Square of 3 is 9 and square of 4 is 16. So 16 plus 9 is L equals to root 25. So what is root 25? It is 5. Therefore L equals to 5 centimeter. So we have the slant height, so that we can calculate the curved surface area of cone also. Okay, so total area of toy is A. Therefore A equals to A इक्वल्स टू हमने कंसिडर किया है कि टोटल एरिया ऑफ टॉय इज 4 A, सो A क्या हो जाएगा, A इक्वल्स टू कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर plus curve surface area of cylinder. See, I am writing just curve C, surface is S and area is A, so CSA of cylinder plus curve surface area of cone, so curve surface area of cone. Okay, therefore A equals to, what is curve surface area of hemisphere? It is 2 pi r square. So here we have to write 2 pi r square plus curve surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. So we have to write here 2 pi r h plus curve surface area of cone is pi r l. So here we have to write pi r l. Okay, so A equals to, see here we have pi, here we have pi and here we also have pi, so take pi as common, so what will remain here, it is 2 into, what is r, r is 3, so square of 3 plus 2 into r, r is 3 into h, plus, yes, h, what is h, h is 40, so we have to write 40 plus pi is already we have taken common, so what will remain here, r, and r is 3 and l, l is 5 centimeter, so here we have to write 5. Okay, so A equals to pi into square of 3 is 9, 9 2s are 18, so we have to write 18 plus 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24 and 0, it is 240 plus 5 3s are 15. So A equals to, so we have to calculate first 3 plus 0, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 8 is 13. So 13 will unit 3 here and 1 will carry here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 2 plus 6 and 6 1 is 7. So it is 7 and 2 plus and it is 2 only. So it is 273 and pi is remain here, so we have to write pi. So the unit of area is square centimeter, so it is cm square. Okay, so this is the area or total area of the toy, which is 273 pi. If you want to place the value of pi, you can place the value of pi also. Okay, so that you will get value in digit. Okay, so but it is also the answer. Okay, so if we have answer, so we have to write the result now. So result will be, so what will be result? So result will be the area of toy is 273 pi centimeter square. Okay, and it is our answer. Okay, so students, this is the way you have to solve the problem. Okay, and it is really again conceptual but easy one. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Okay, so students, here we are completing our today's session. In this video we have completed 2 important questions. Okay, so for better understanding, do keep repeat this video once. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.